Hi, I'm Molly from Wildflower Autoworks. We are here at our unit in Folkestone in Kent, and I'm going to be showing you around today. We bought this unit just under 2 years ago. We've converted it. It was an empty shell when we first got it, and now we have, well, let me show you around. Okay, so this is entrance to our unit, and the first thing that I am going to show you is the inside of our unit. Though you can't really see much because it is quite dark in here, so let's turn some lights on. This means you can see lots of things now. However, I think we can go different with the vibe. That is much better. So as you can see, it is set up for daytime meets, nighttime meets. That means with this, we can still have people over, we can showcase our products from the companies we work with and our own merch, while also it being dark outside. When we were planning out our shop front, so we've created the back area to be a proper shop front for the companies that we work with. So Prisma Labs, NRG Innovations, Speed Heart, Hello Special, and a number of other companies. We wanted to create something that they had out in America, in Ontario, in Prisma Labs. So we went to visit their shop when we were over there in November after visiting SEMA, and everything they had out there, it just, well, it was a vibe, and it was something that we wanted to try and have ourselves, but put our own spin on it. And as you can see by all the pink lights, that is one of our favourite colours here as well. So we wanted neon so that at night we could have all of these on. It means that you can still see the products, you can walk around, and you can safely be able to move around the unit, while also just creating this feel of relax, but also a little bit of the underground Tokyo vibe. So you have the long neon flex, we've got the other neon buttons around, and they're not on at the moment, but we have got our 2 neon signs, one for hardcore and then one for Wildflower. So in here we also work with the Hardcore Tokyo UK division, and I will put the sign on so you can see just how bright it is. So as you can see, the LED sign is very bright. Hopefully the camera actually managed to catch it properly, but you have to come down in person to see it. It's right above our tool bench. So as you saw as we walked in, we have got a 2-poster vehicle lift. This is for servicing vehicles. This is where the K-truck got built as well. It spent a lot of time up here to make sure that the body kit was all smooth and sanded, and being able to put in all the electrics and the new battery. So we've got a 2-poster vehicle lift for all servicing that needs to be done. We've got trolleys to be able to move vehicles around, as it is a fairly big space, but when you have 3 or 4 cars in here, it does get a little bit crowded as well. The current car we've got up on the lift at the moment is a 1992 Honda Acty. You may have seen it in one of our previous videos. This is a customer car that I had imported. We've had it MOT, the registration documents have been sent off. We are just waiting for the V5 to come through to then get plates for the customer to come and collect it. We offered lots of different packages, from you collecting your vehicle yourself to us doing full service, full interior clean, full exterior clean on your vehicle when it then lands in this country. If you want to have a vehicle imported by us, send us a DM. We have got a spring compressor as well, though this is something that I am a little bit scared of using. I usually ask someone else to use it if coilovers need to be replaced. We do also work with BC Racing, so if you do need to change your coilovers, you can send us a message or an email, and we can potentially look at fitting them for you as well. So this is kind of our line here where the shop starts and the garage will finish. So we've got our little hardcore stand over here showing off the new hardcore hats, as well as a number of different NRG seats. As you can see, the lighting's changed, but I thought if we're having a look at some of our products, you probably want to see them with a little bit more detail and not just with this pink glow on them. So this seat here is one of their newest ones. This is the Amiga recliner seat with the houndstooth pattern. So you have got the faux leather sides, and then you've got the fabric center with the houndstooth design. They come as a pair recliner, as I said, so for all of you VAG fans out there, I think this is probably perfect for your build. If you want a fixed back seat rather than a recliner, And also if you want something a little bit more crazy, a little bit more exciting with the pattern, the Ultraline is probably going to be the one for you. They have got so many designs. This is just one of them. And as you can see, they are super, super comfortable. You've got the pad with the front pockets as well. And let me just show you how thick this pad actually is. I mean, look at that. You're not gonna have anyone complaining that they've got a numb arse by the end of your 3-hour journey up to Silverstone. With all of the Ultra lines, as well as some of the others, you can actually change out the pattern. So they have a little spring underneath here, which you can just unattach, and then you can change into a different cover. This means that you don't have to then buy the whole seat again. And if you want to either change your interior, or if it's got a little bit tired because you've had it for a few years and it's just got a bit of general wear and tear, it makes things a little bit cheaper to have to upgrade your interior. So this one is one of my favorites. It is the Spectraline. Previously, they only ever came in medium, but they have just released that they are coming in a large seat as well, which I think was probably such a good idea for them. This is the green, which is my favorite color, but comes in close second. You have the midnight purple as well, which is a really, really nice deep purple. So the difference between our Ultra range and the Spectra range is the side, how high the sides come up. As you can see, they come up a lot higher on the Spectra range, which basically just means you feel a little bit more secure in the seat. The actual width of the seat is the same, it's just how high these sides come up. Once again, this pad is removable, you have the front pockets, and you can see you've got a little mini Taco there, where Civi's gonna come and make a little appearance in the rest of this video as well. So moving on, this is another one of their Ultra range. Like I said, they have some really, really cool designs, but if you want to go with a little bit more understated, they have their chromatic range. These are slightly larger, so for all of you MX-5 owners, unfortunately, unless you want to modify your door cards, these seats aren't for you. Any of the Ultra or the Spectra range will fit if you go for the medium size, but chromatics, where they come out slightly wider, they're not, you need that modification for your car. So these all come in pastel colors. This is the lilac, you've got blues, you've got a peach. It does come in black as well, which is not a faded black, it's a full, like, solid black as well. Same thing, these can all be changed out with the seat covers. They have the removable front pad, which has got the full pockets. Now, moving on to the other accessories that NRG have to offer. You've got the multi-purpose hook, which I know a lot of you like to display your steering wheels with. You've got the tow hooks, which come in a variety of color, and then of course the famous quick releases. So we have got a number of these in stock here in the UK. You have the 2.0, you've got the 2.5, and you've got the 3.0, the ones we have in stock currently. 2.0 is the one that dings for those of you who want that sound. And as you can see, just how good the quality this is. And from the center, you can also see you can keep your horn the entire time. Now, remember, for those of you whose cars are then going to go for an MOT soon, your quick release needs to be removed because it will not pass an MOT. We've got a few steering wheels here on display, some of their new ones, some of their collabs, such as the Oak Tree Outlaws one. And actually, I've got something special to show you here. Something unexpected about some of the NRG products is the fact under UV light, it is glowing. One of the other companies that we distribute for is Speed Hut. They are a custom gauge company based out in Utah in the US. These are some of their classic style gauges. They do one specifically for certain vehicles, or they have their universal fit gauges as well. So this goes anything from temperature and pressure gauges, tachometers, speedometers. You have got the entire series that you can get, and the best thing is that you can pick and choose which ones you want to get. So if you decide you don't want a voltmeter in your car anymore, you can replace it with something a little bit more useful for you. And within that, you have certain ranges. They have a few set options in terms of color combinations, with the glow, with the background color, with the font. However, if you want a full custom set, i.e. the fact that it's color coded to your paint code of your car and you've got the exact font and you want a logo on it, that is also something that we can arrange for you. As you can see here, we do actually have stock here in our warehouse to be sending out to you today if you wanted it. So we've got a number of different seats across all of the ranges, from the Spectraline, Chromatics, Ultralines. We've got a few different colors, so if you want to see if we have it literally right above my head right now. We work with a number of Japanese companies and we could not just produce any sort of merch. We wanted to make sure that we did them justice and did the Japanese car culture justice as well. There is so much to the Japanese car culture and we want to be able to look at every single part of it. So our K-truck, which I'm sure you all know and love, is part of the Bozuzoku style culture. It is the modern take on it. It is Zokusha, but it is a slightly Yankee style version of it. Then after that, you have got the very clean aesthetic R32 culture as well with all of the cherry blossoms. Then the drift culture. We all know how massive the drift culture is in the UK and also out in Japan, and we want to be able to represent that as well. And the final one, for all of you Civic lovers out there, this is looking at the No Good Racing. It's the Kanjo design for the Civics as well. All of these t-shirts are part of our Legend collection. So they got released earlier this year. We debuted them at JAPFest 2026. And they are also all on our website as well. This is our new hoodie that we have just released. It is Japanese low car culture. So with our design, we have got screen printing on the rear, and then we've also got the embroidery on top of that. So we've got our logo embroidered as well as the centerpiece. And then on the front, we also have got embroidery there of our logo. These are all on our website, so go check them out if you want to represent. When you come visit us at our shop, you will notice a few small details, such as this sign here. We have been to Japan and we went around to collect small little items and purchase items in different auction sites as well, to be able to show the proper culture that is out there. This sign, when translated, essentially means that we are officially allowed to work on K-trucks and K-cars. It means that we would have a license to be able to service them and then provide any MOTs and stuff for them, which we know we love a K-truck, so of course we needed to purchase this sign. From all the companies we have been to visit in Japan, in the US, and lots of other companies we have worked with before, we have got stickers to represent all of them. This is going to be a work in progress, so any visitors that we have come along, we'd like to have stickers with them, and we can then see everyone that has been to see us. One of the other companies we work with is Hello Special. We've got their license plate over here. 86 is their numbers to help represent them. And of course, we had it signed from when we went to visit them out in Japan. 86, for those of you who don't actually know, is not the year that they started. In Japanese, 8 and 6 means haro, which translates to hello. As we go upstairs, you'll also see a very rare find, which is our Blitz Racing coveralls. This was such a steal when we found them, that of course they ended up on the wall. Now, I'll take you a little sneak peek upstairs, but this is the office and hangout area. We have our full kitchen here as well. So we've got a nice little hangout area with a projector, so we can have places people here in the evenings as well. And when we have our business meetings, we've got lots of space for it. If you're passing by and then you see the garage door open, please pop in and say hello. Equally, if you want to come down and visit us, send us a message and we will check if we are there. See you soon.